Are you still wasting hours scrolling through endless Google results, sifting through sponsored links and irrelevant content, just hoping to stumble upon a credible answer? What if you could bypass all that noise and get precise, verifiable, and instantly sourced information directly to your screen? Imagine the time saved, the frustration avoided, and the sheer efficiency gained.
The landscape of information retrieval is undergoing a seismic shift. Traditional search engines are increasingly being outpaced by powerful AI tools specifically designed for unparalleled productivity and precision. This isn't just about finding links anymore. It's about getting definitive, well-structured answers, often with context and further insights, transforming how we interact with online data.
Viewer interest in topics like the best AI tools this week and free AI tools that replace paid software is surging. This trend highlights a massive demand for more efficient, intelligent, and less time-consuming ways to work, research, and find reliable information in our fast-paced digital world. People are actively seeking alternatives that offer more than just a list of blue links.
These cutting-edge AI tools aren't merely finding information, they are actively understanding its context, summarizing complex topics, and even generating new content or code based on your specific queries. This fundamental shift completely transforms how you approach research, learn new subjects, and create content, making you significantly more productive and informed.
First up, let's dive into Perplexity AI. This tool is an absolute game changer for anyone who needs verifiable answers, backed by solid sources, without the usual search engine clutter.
Perplexity AI doesn't just give you links. It provides direct, concise answers to your questions, meticulously complete with citations to its original sources. This means you can trust the information and easily dive deeper if needed. For example, if you ask what are the benefits of intermittent fasting, Perplexity will provide a summarized answer with links to scientific studies and health articles.
Its standout features include direct source citations, concise summaries of complex topics, and intelligent follow-up questions to guide your research. This tool is best for academic researchers, students, journalists fact-checking stories, or anyone needing reliable, summarized information with transparent sourcing. A practical tip: use the focus feature to narrow your search to specific domains like academic or YouTube for more targeted results. How to? Simply type your question into the search bar, hit enter, and review the summarized answer and linked sources below. You can then click on suggested follow-up questions to refine your query.
Next, we have you.com, a highly customizable search engine that seamlessly integrates AI chat and powerful writing tools directly into your search experience, making it a true productivity hub.
You.com offers unique customizable search apps, allowing you to tailor your results based on your preferences and frequently used websites. For instance, if you're a developer, you can prioritize results from Stack Overflow or GitHub. It also includes integrated AI chat for quick conversations and AI writing capabilities to draft emails or generate ideas, making it an incredibly versatile productivity hub. Imagine asking, "Write a short email to my team about the new project deadline," directly within your search interface.
Its key features are truly customizable search apps, integrated AI chat, and writing functionalities, and a strong focus on user privacy. This tool is ideal for users who crave a highly personalized search experience with integrated AI assistance, from students drafting essays to small business owners generating marketing copy. A practical tip: explore and enable the U apps relevant to your daily tasks, like Reddit, Twitter, or specific news sources, to get more focused results. How to? After typing your query, look for the chat or write tabs next to the search results to engage the AI features, or customize your U apps in the settings to filter future searches.
For mobile users who are constantly on the go and need information fast, Arc Search is an absolute must-have. This innovative mobile browser takes your search queries and brilliantly summarizes the results into a single, concise, and easy-to-read page.
The Browse for Me feature in Arc Search is truly revolutionary, cutting through all the online clutter to give you just the essential information you need, presented beautifully. For example, if you search best hiking trails near Denver, it won't just list links. It will generate a summary page with key trail names, distances, difficulty levels, and perhaps even a map snippet. It also aggressively blocks ads and trackers by default, ensuring a clean, focused, and distraction-free browsing experience every single time.
Arc Search is completely free and is perfect for mobile users who need quick, summarized answers on the go without any distractions. It's a fantastic way to consume information efficiently and quickly on your phone, whether you're researching a new restaurant or checking facts. A practical tip: use Browse for Me for any query where you need a quick overview rather than deep diving into multiple articles. How to: simply open the Arc Search app, type your query into the search bar, and tap Browse for Me. The app will then generate a summarized page tailored to your question.
Developers, engineers, and anyone in tech, pay close attention. Find is an AI search engine specifically engineered from the ground up for highly technical queries and complex code-related questions.
Find possesses a deep understanding of code and provides detailed technical explanations, often offering interactive answers that go far beyond simple links. For instance, if you ask, "How do I implement a quicksort algorithm in Python?" Find will not only provide the code but also explain each step, its time complexity, and offer alternative approaches. It's like having an expert programmer or a highly knowledgeable technical mentor right by your side, ready to assist with any coding challenge.
Its core features include code-aware search capabilities, detailed technical explanations for complex problems, and interactive answers that can include runnable code snippets. Find is best for software developers, data scientists, IT professionals, and anyone grappling with complex technical questions or debugging code. A practical tip: when asking coding questions, be as specific as possible about the language and desired outcome to get the most accurate code and explanation. How to: enter your technical question or code snippet into the search bar. Find will then generate a detailed explanation, often with code examples, that you can review and even copy directly.
Finally, for those deep into academic or scientific research, there's Consensus. This powerful AI tool is specifically designed to extract and summarize key findings directly from scientific papers and peer-reviewed literature.
Consensus provides evidence-based answers by meticulously summarizing research papers and allowing you to filter results by study type, such as meta-analyses or randomized controlled trials. This is an invaluable feature for quickly understanding complex scientific literature and gathering robust evidence. For example, if you search "Does caffeine improve athletic performance?", Consensus will summarize findings from multiple studies, indicating the strength of evidence and potential caveats.
Key features are its ability to provide evidence-based answers, comprehensive summarization of research papers, and advanced filtering by study type to ensure scientific rigor. It's best for academics, medical researchers, PhD students, and professionals in fields requiring quick access to scientific evidence. A practical tip: use the consensus meter to quickly gauge the overall agreement or disagreement among studies on a particular topic. How to: type your scientific question into the search bar. Consensus will then present summarized findings from relevant papers, often with a consensus meter and options to filter by study type or view the original papers.
So, how do these incredible tools stack up against each other? For overall best performance, especially when you need direct, verifiable answers with clear citations, Perplexity AI stands out as the top contender. For a fantastic and completely free option that revolutionizes mobile browsing, Arc Search delivers unparalleled summarized information on the go.
If you're just starting your journey into AI-powered search, U.com is an excellent choice for beginners, offering a customizable, user-friendly, and integrated AI search experience that's easy to adopt. These tools collectively represent a significant leap forward in how we access, process, and ultimately utilize information in our daily lives.
AI search engines aren't just an alternative to traditional search, they are unequivocally the future of information retrieval. They offer a level of precision, productivity, and contextual understanding that traditional search engines like Google simply cannot match. Embrace these powerful tools now to fundamentally transform your workflow, save countless hours, and gain a significant edge in your personal and professional endeavors.
Ready to truly revolutionize your search habits and elevate your productivity? I challenge you to try integrating just one of these powerful AI tools into your daily routine this very week. You will be absolutely amazed at the sheer amount of time and effort you save, and the quality of information you gain.
Don't miss out on our next essential breakdown of even more game-changing AI tools and productivity hacks. Make sure to subscribe to our channel now to stay ahead of the curve, unlock even more efficiency secrets, and continuously optimize your digital workflow. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss an update.